I got women.
Okay, go ahead, Willie.
Hello! Welcome to the Thunderdome, bitch! That's a fucking time.
And Max! Thunderdome! And Max! Jason, let's see. Your words were 1/2 an hour from now. We gave you 35 minutes. 35. Hey. Not 30. I'm Master Blaster! I support single moms!
Hey, you want to see a horse god? Jim, go. Give it, give it, give it!
There we go.
Right in the face! You see, baby, you got it.
No, this is the thing. You asked for this 30 minutes ago.
Stop.
You told us to give you 30 minutes, we give you 35.
We did 30 minutes.
Just suck one penis. It's only Jim's.
It's just mine. You'll just gag a little bit.
Come on.
It won't be bad, really.
The first 3 inches isn't that bad.
The last 7 is really not good.
But you said 30 minutes and now it's fucking 35.
Here, dude. I really don't.
What do you mean you're okay? You said 30 minutes!
Let go.
No!
Oh man, I can't handle it right now. I think we should listen up and carry him out.
Stop, dude. Just really stop.
No!
What happened last time? Don't you want to play with us?
There you go.
Oh, sweet, he's got a hole. Lay down. Lay down. Squeal, Piggy, squeal!
Squeal like a pig, man! You've been violated.
You smell
Now you're at the hole in his shorts.
You smell awful fine. That was from earlier when I dragged him out by his fucking waistband.
Jason, you said 30 minutes.
Why does it
I
smell funny
don't
in here?
care, dude.
You know,
What the fuck's your fucking problem?
Because we don't have a problem. We're funky alcoholics. You want to pick up on this too?
Does it fall back?
I don't know how.
It's like a taco. It's like a taco.
Alright, does it come back?
Remember.
No, you gotta go all the way up. And then lift it up
Alright,
from the back.
Yeah, all the way.
1, 2.
Oh, I swear to fuck God.
Dude, honestly, what the fuck?
You said 30 fucking minutes. Now we're back.
This is your standard alarm clock. I got that all. I hope not.
That fucking hurt.
Close to Mer.
Right there.